365 GTV/4 Daytona. Its official designation is Ferrari Daytona. It is a two-seater GT coupe by Ferrari. Some technical specifications. It is a front-engine and a rear-wheel drive transmission vehicle. A Beast 4.4 liters 4,390.35 cubic centimeters engine. 5-speed manual Tipo 251 Colombo V12 with 60-degree angle, double overhead cylinder and a 365 cubic centimeters per cylinder volume. A bore into stroke of 81 mm into 71 mm. Compression ratio of 9.3:1. 347 HP at 7,500 RPM. Max torque delivered is 431 Nm at 5,500 RPM. With a top speed of 280 km/h, it can seamlessly reach 0 to 60 mph in just 5.4 seconds. The engine is petrol-fueled water-cooled with aluminium body.